How to add social link in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to add the social link on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add the social link, you need to open your profile icon. Tap onto the profile right here at the top, select it. Then here you can find your profile just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find add social link, just right here, simply select it. Then from here you can simply add the social links that you have got. If you have Instagram or Facebook or anything, from here simply tap onto one just like this and simply add your username and tap on to save. Now you can simply add many social links as you want on the Reddit, and that's it. This is how you can add social link in the Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.